Lily has hiccups.
For the record, it's 9:37. Lily's bedtime is 9 o'clock, but we're pretty sure she's not tired.
Hiccup.
High five. High five. Yay! High five. Yay!
She's not tired because Daddy keeps playing with her.
High five.
Say bye-bye, Lily. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Good girl.